Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got a really big package in the mail today from my PR team, and I'm going to open it up for you guys and show you guys what's inside because there's a bunch of goodies, a bunch of clothes. So the first thing is this big Celsius box. They sent me a bunch of different Celsius flavors and a little card. It says, "We're so excited to send you a selection of our favorite flavors from Celsius, made with nothing but the best so you can do your best. We hope you love it as much as we do." I'm really excited to try all these flavors. So then the next brand that they had sent me is, I don't know how to say this, it's BLVCK Paris. They sent me these super cute boots. I'm really excited to wear these. These are so cute. They have a nice heel on them, and I feel like these will go with literally anything. So I don't know how to pronounce this brand, so I don't want to say it wrong, but it's Leau, and I got sent these super cute dresses. This one's like a long sleeve, and then it has some scrunchy stuff on the arms and scrunchy stuff up the dress, so it's tight fitting. This is really cute. They also sent me this super cute romper. It's see-through mesh on the sides, and it has two cutouts. It has one in the front and then in the same place on the back of it. The material is super soft and comfortable and flexible. Then they sent me some items from Sundays. I got these super cute tan shorts. These are really stretchy and soft. And then it came with this green tank top. I think these are gonna look super cute together. And then they also sent me this really pretty dress. It's a strapless dress. It kind of scrunches in the front to be tight and has this tie at the bottom of it. I can't wait to see what this looks like on. Then I got a package from Bluebella. So it's a really cute red lingerie set. It's see-through mesh, and the bottoms are also see-through mesh. This looks so hot. I really like this. And then there's the yellow set that's also got some mesh going on that's see-through. I really like this color. It's really like vibrant. And the bottoms also have the mesh on it. Both these sets are really cute. Perfect time for Valentine's Day. Now last but not least, we got a big box in here from my favorite, White Fox. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they sent me this cute workout set. It's brown, long sleeve, has a zip at the front, and then the bottom are these brown biker shorts. It says WFA on the back of them, and then WFA right on the side. These are super cute. I feel like this is gonna be really comfortable. Great little workout fit. Then I got this skirt set, and the skirt has these buttons on the front of it. It just buttons up. And then the top is really cool because it's like a tank top, but then it has long sleeves. So it's like a crop tank top with built-in long sleeves. So I think this is really neat. Then they sent me this tie-up shirt, just ties. This will look really cute with some jeans, some lighter colored jeans, maybe some white shoes. Or white jeans, actually. That top would actually look really cute with these white jeans. I think I like this. But here are the white jeans they sent me. I really like these white jeans. I've been eating some white jeans. And then I got some brown leather pants. These are also really cute. Everything I get in White Fox is extra small. If you guys were wondering what sizes to get, I get extra small. Okay, and then lastly is this really cute sweat set. I'll be honest, my favorite sweats are always from White Fox and sweaters. Like, they have the most comfiest sweatshirts and sweatpants. And this just feels so comfy. But this is like this blue sweatshirt hoodie, and it says White Fox on it in the front. You guys can see that. It says White Fox and some other stuff. And then the sweatpants are the same. It says, where's that? White Fox right here. And then at the bottom is the scrunchy stuff. I like it when the bottoms are like this. So that's everything that I got from PR, this unboxing. Hope you guys like this unboxing.